In this video, we will walk you through 4 methods to transfer text messages from iQOO to iQOO, including using iQOO's built-in EasyShare app, a professional phone transfer tool, your Google account, or a dedicated SMS backup application. Part 1. Transfer text messages from iQOO to iQOO through EasyShare. EasyShare is the official data migration tool developed by Vivo for iQOO and Vivo devices. Step 1. Open the EasyShare app on both iQOO phones. If it's not installed, download it from the App Store. Step 2. On the old iQOO device, tap Phone Clone and select Old Phone. Step 3. On the new iQOO phone, tap Phone Clone and choose New Phone. Step 4. Use the new phone to scan the QR code displayed on the old phone to establish a connection. Step 5. Once connected, select Messages from the list of transferable data. Step 6. Tap Start Transfer and wait for the process to complete. Part 2. Move text messages from iQOO to iQOO in bulk one-click solution. If you want the fastest and most reliable way to transfer text messages between iQOO phones, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is highly recommended. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Launch the software afterward. Step 2. Connect both iQOO phones to the computer using USB cables. Enable USB debugging on both devices when prompted. Step 3. After detection, make sure the old iQOO phone appears in the source position and the new iQOO phone appears in the destination position. If not, click Flip to switch them. Step 4. Select text messages from the data categories displayed in the middle panel. Then, click Start Copy to begin transferring SMS from the old iQOO phone to the new one. Part 3. Transfer text messages from iQOO to iQOO using Google account. If you already use Google services on your iQOO phone, transferring text messages through a Google account can be a convenient option. Step 1. On the old iQOO phone, open Settings Google Backup. Step 2. Enable backup to Google One and ensure that SMS are included in the backup. Step 3. Tap Backup Now and wait for the backup process to finish. Step 4. Turn on your new iQOO phone and sign in with the same Google account during setup. Step 5. When prompted, choose to restore data from the Google backup. Step 6. Select the available backup and continue the setup process. Once the restoration is complete, your text messages should appear on the new iQOO device. Part 4. Sync text messages from iQOO to iQOO via SMS Backup and Restore. Because it also supports scheduled backups, this method is especially suitable for users who want to transfer text messages from iQOO to iQOO and maintain regular SMS backups at the same time. Step 1. Install SMS Backup and Restore on both iQOO phones. Step 2. Launch the app on the old phone and tap Set up a backup. Step 3. Select Messages and choose where to save the backup file. Step 4. Tap Backup Now to create the SMS backup. Step 5. Install and open the app on the new iQOO phone. Step 6. Sign into the same cloud account or transfer the backup file to the new phone. Step 7. Tap Restore. Locate the backup file and start restoring the messages. Step 8. Follow the on-screen instructions and temporarily set the app as the default SMS application if required. After the restoration is complete, all backed up messages will be available on the new iQOO phone.